So I feel like talking about this out loud because I feel like passionate about it. Last night I asked a question about math on Threads. I was wondering about degrees and 90 degrees. Why 90? Why 90? The number 90. Who chose 90? So I asked that question and I learned that it comes from 360. So I asked, why 360? So then I learned that 360 is a highly divisible number. I understand that. And then I learned that, like, in visual terms, one person suggested I draw basically geometry on paper, but simple, like draw a square, put a line through it, put another line through it, put a circle up in the corner. And then you can see the visual shapes, and then they still have degree values. I've just made that up, but I love this because it started with simply thinking about the symbol, the degrees symbol. And then I was like kind of down a rabbit hole about like architecture, like Freemasonry. And so then I was like, but where does these numbers come from? Anyway, all that to say that I woke up this morning and there's been a lot of answers and I got to catch up. But someone said, social media is not the place to learn math. Maybe you should go to a local community college. And I already responded to them passionately. And I'm very passionate about how I feel about that suggestion. Because let me just say that if community college was the only option to learn math, I would die tomorrow, a fucking total fool idiot. Like, I would never want to step into the halls of a community college. Rather just shoot me in the foot and make me fucking dragged to the fucking meadow. Like, this is exactly why I have an aversion to math, because of the way that institutionalized schools have taught it. Like, hello, don't you know a girl has trauma? Math trauma. You ever heard of it? No, it's new. I just fucking told you about it. But anyway, okay, so what the fuck is wrong? And I even wrote in my, let me calm down. I even wrote that in my post. Like, I've had a terrible time trying to learn math in my life. So, hey, here's a new idea. How about I just ask some random ass questions, like throw them up in the air, see who catches one that is able to, like, formulate it into a way that I can understand it in my mind. And then from there, if I do understand it, it'll be like a web, like connecting a web from the down here, like a bunch of, no, it's not really a web when you're visualizing that. Okay. It'll be like putting a knitted blanket back together that got unraveled, but that you don't even, the strings are tangled and you don't even know where to start. So it's like you probably can't have to take it all apart. But, like, you have to start somewhere. Where do you even start? The question, where do you even start? The thread, you know? Threads, get it? Thread of the blanket, thread of the web of the trying to learn something. Anyway, you should see my hand. Look at that. This is how, like, passionate I am. So I said in response, it was kind of a long response, and of course I don't remember, but I was like, I was a little, like, offended. How dare you suggest a school? That's absolutely the last motherfucking thing I would ever think about doing. Fucking school, fucking jaded ass, fucking teachers teaching math. They understood it since they were born out the womb, and then they make everybody feel stupid when they don't understand it. Fuck you. Fuck all that. Bro, I'm gonna create a place where kids are allowed to, like, learn and ask the question so many times. You know how fucking shameful I feel, how stupid I feel for asking questions? Because my teachers in my past have made me feel so stupid. And my son feels the same way. And guess what we do? We just stop asking. And then it's like, okay, well, that ship sailed. I don't get to learn math because everybody makes me feel stupid. This is a real thing. And I think that those who understand math don't understand the shame when you don't understand math. So I'm here to tell you, hello, let's try to be a little nicer and help teach other people. Because what is missing isn't the facts. What is missing is the method of which we teach those facts. That part I understand. So I'm going somewhere, you see. Anyway, I should go. Because I should go. I'm all worked up. I'm gonna fucking work out math. Get my sweat on, fucking learning this shit. You wait. You just wait. I'm gonna learn it, and then I'm gonna teach it.